Okay, and then why my parking light is not working in this Toyota Avensis car? Okay, in my case there was fuse broken and bad, and when we looked at cabin areas fuse box cover, what I open, there is position 14 in here. 14, what means that it is tile. And this tile fuse also control number 14. It is 10 ampere fuse. This is 10 ampere. We can see this control also this front parking lights. And this position is in here. It is 14, the second in line in this right side. Okay, and now I have take new fuse and I will install this back, and can you see which one of these fuse is bad? That one or that one? The right answer is this one. This is bad and this is okay. And I test this from my tester tool. Okay, and next I go to install this my bulb, and then we can see result. Really check that all lights are working before then we install these covers back, because sometimes it can be happened that some lights are bad and then we have to repeat and disassemble these cover parts again. Okay, but in my case now everything looks good and we can be happy.